Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro viral photo shoot in Gemini. So add in your picture, go to tools and select create images, and you're going to paste this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below. So I'm just going to wait for Gemini to generate this image here. You can use any pictures you want, a selfie if you will. And this is what it should look like. Super duper cute. I can't wait to do it in on my own picture. This is obviously not me. I'm not Caucasian. Anyways, that doesn't matter. I don't know what I'm trying to say. That is it for this video. I will again put the prompt in the description box down below. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.